Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde. Et actuellement, je vous dis là, on a fait un cours en créole. Right now, we're doing a class in Creole. So, to all the people, this is like I'm gonna show you more likely for family member, moun qui nan la famille là. Et this is how it is. So, this is when you see there. You see the husband and the wife. How do you say wife and how do you say husband? So we're gonna see how you say that. So for wife, you say madame. Let me repeat that again. For wife, you say madame, very slowly. And for husband, you say mari. Husband, mari. And when you come to a brother, you say frère. Brother, frère. Baby, bébé. And when you come to how you say parent, you say parent ou. Parents, parent who. Mother, mama. Mother, mama. And father in Creole you say papa. Father, Creole you say papa. And when you come to grandparents, you say in Creole you say grands-parents. Grandparents in Creole you say grands-parents. And right here in the grandmother you say grand. Grandmother you say grand in Creole. And grandfather in English in Creole you say grandpapa. Grandfather in Creole, you say grandpapa. And when you come to children, you say in Creole, you say timoun. When children in Creole, you say timoun. When you come to daughter, in Creole, you say petite fille. Daughter, petite fille. And when you say son, petit garçon. Son, petit garçon. Sister, sœur. Sister, sœur. When you come here, petito. Grandchildren, petito in Creole. That's how I say it. Grandchildren. Granddaughter, you say petite fille. Granddaughter, petite fille. Grandson, petit garçon. Grandson, petit garçon. And if you wanna make some kind of sentence, I like to introduce you to my wife. How will you say that in Creole? Mwen ta reme introduire à madame mwen. Let me repeat that again. I know that's very long. I like to introduce you to my wife. Mwen ta reme introduire à madame mwen. When you're gonna say nice to meet you, you probably say moi bien content rencontre. Let me say that again. Moi bien content rencontre. I don't have the format here and in Creole. How you will write that down. So this is how it is. So to say some of the stuff on Creole So thank you very much for watching Jack TV. If you would like to order, I'm working on a DVD. If you would like to order some more stuff, so you could link me up to know if the DVD is ready and you could get it. Thank you very much.